Let's now create a sequence. With the help of sequence tool, you can send a series of targeted timed email templates to nurture contacts over time. You can also automate tasks in the sequence, or you can use some triggers like after somebody clicks your email twice, you may receive a notification or you may receive a task, for example. Okay, let's create a sequence. Sequences can be found under automations and then sequences. Create a sequence. You see that we have an option to use either a dynamic sequence. A dynamic sequence means that you must also use some tasks on the right side, or it's a simple sequence like starting from scratch when you can use uh, sequence without necessity to add tasks. Let's create them both. You can see that you can start from the pre-made sequence like recent conversion, event follow-up, product or demo request. So different sequences. So for example, if you click on product or demo request, you can see that there are some predefined templates that you can use. So you can use this sequence when you have product or demo request, for example. After clicking on create sequence, you may change some criteria here. You see that you have 10 days to complete. You have 5 total steps. You have info about how this sequence is automated. So again, this is our email, our first email. Then in one business day, you'll have a call task. If needed, you can delete this sequence. You can customize it if you want. Then without the delay, you'll have a follow-up task. Maybe we don't need it for now, so I've removed it. Then another email will be sent in 3 business days. You can also add a B test if needed, and then in 5 business days you have a general task contact completed sequence without a response. In this case, you as a sales rep may think, what should you do next? In the settings tab, you can set up when your sequences must be executed, when the contacts should receive the mail reminders, and there is an automation tab, how contacts would be enrolled from the sequence. So when a contact replies to an email, unenroll the contact from the sequence. So that's a logical automation, because when somebody replies, then you as a sales rep must do some manual work to reply to this contact. When a contact books a meeting, unenroll from the sequence. Again, if somebody books a meeting, then this contact will be unenrolled as well, and you as a sales rep should do next steps manually. And this is not turned on right now. When a contact replies to an email or books a meeting, unenroll all contacts at the same company from this sequence. So either I contact the same company and somebody books a meeting, then all other contacts may be unenrolled as well. You can optionally turn this on if you are sending emails to multiple contacts from the same company. Okay, let's click on save now. You may choose either private, everyone, or specific users and teams. Let's choose sales team and click on create. Our first sequence has been created with the help of template in HubSpot. You see that from here you can enroll contacts. You can see the performance after somebody enrolled. You can see a meeting rate, how many contacts are booked a meeting, reply rate, also deal rate if there are any deals from your sequences, and the total revenue that each sequence might bring to your company. See the enrollments. You can enroll contacts from this window. You can see all the steps and make changes if needed. And again, you can adjust settings and adjust automations. Okay, the first sequence was created. Let's now create a dynamic sequence, create it from scratch. And you see that the first step in the dynamic sequence is always an automated email. And you should find your templates, or you can create a templates in advance to use in the sequences. We already created some templates. In this case, I can name it as event follow-up, and then use these 3 predefined emails by me. Event follow-up email 1. Hey, contact first name. It was great meeting, seeing you at the conference this week. As we discussed, we are able to provide companies like yours a lot of different solutions, including. So here you can, of course, list your solutions. And on the right side, you see that we have a task. It cannot be skipped in dynamic sequence. The only thing you can do, you can change the triggers. It will signal you when somebody opens twice this email or clicks uh, at this email. So you can change this count. So let's say when somebody opens 4 times and when somebody clicks 1 time. We don't have any links here, but you can also add a meeting link. So if you add a meeting link and somebody schedules a meeting with you, in this case, this contact will be enrolled from this sequence. In our case, I will have a call task after somebody opens an email 4 times or clicks an email. So as I said, you can add any clickable links here. For the contact, you can personalize this contact. So first name, and also you can use the phone number as well. So let's say phone, okay, phone number. Okay, we created a task. The priority is high. If there are any cases, you can use it as well. Click on add. Now your task was created. Let's now create another email. You can choose if this email will be in the same thread or in a separate thread. I will choose it in the same thread and choose event follow-up number 2. It will be sent in 4 business days. You see that this email template has some documents. So you may also include documents, you may include meeting links there. And then again, we can add our final email number 3, event follow-up. It will be sent in maybe in 5 business days. It's up to you. You can choose it. You see that we have signals after somebody opens our email 4 times or clicks on our content in our email. Then we will get a call task, we will get notified, and you can do all other actions that you planned. Okay, again, checking settings. I wanted from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Automations, maybe also enroll this automation and click on save. You may choose your sales team, or you may use it as a private one. Click on save, and there is another sequence that we created. If you back on sequences, you can see them here. Let's now enroll some contacts into our sequence. So event follow-up, you can enroll contacts right from this window. You can choose only those contacts who have emails. Contacts without emails or contacts bounced will not be used for that. So you can choose any of the contacts. These contacts are actually fake contacts from my demo account. By the way, you have a limit in sequence. You have a limit of 50 contacts. You are not able to enroll more than 50 contacts into a single sequences at once. After these contacts finish the sequence, you can add more contacts here. Okay, some of the contacts have missed information like placeholder, conference name. We have this token. So HubSpot asked us to add a conference name token in order to enroll these contacts. So I've changed some criteria, enrolled these contacts, and now you see when all the tokens are working, when all the contacts are having this information set up, having values for the properties that we're using tokens for, then you can enroll these contacts. Just click on enroll again, and now 3 contacts have been enrolled into this sequence. You can check the performance and some insights on this table. You see the total revenue they may bring. You see the 2 enrolled, 0 opened, clicked, replied, meetings, deal created, and deal closed. So this is a sales funnel that you can use with the help of sequence. You can check the lead quality, engagement. How you can also enroll contacts in bulk. If you go to your contacts, you can choose some contacts from this view, and after that click on enroll into sequence, and then you can use any of the sequence that were created by you. The same is from the lead view. In the lead dashboard, you can enroll contacts into sequences as well. Let's find our leads. If you choose the leads, you can choose them one by one, or all the leads all together, and then click on enroll sequence, and they will be enrolled into your sequence that you already created. Again, go back to our sequences, just click on it, and you can see all the information about sequences. You can check it in the feed as well. You can then have some insights how to move further in your sales funnel.